Today we're going to be
drawing lowercase s.
from alphabet lore. Yes.
E.
These are always so much fun. So grab a marker, grab a Sharpie, some markers, color with colored pencils, and join in. Basically, a couple different shades of green and a Sharpie is all you really need. Well, I just wanted to mention these are called Ohu markers, and they are fantastic. I can't say enough about how these color. Tremendous. They blend. There's even a blending marker that you can use. But let's get started on the video, huh?
Yeah.
All right. 1, 2, 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Unleash the power of the Sharpie. Yes. Okay, Odin.
Okay.
Eyes are first on this lowercase s. So the eyes are on sort of a little bit of a tilt. All right, so we're gonna go here a little bit above the middle of the page, a little to the right. Okay, ready?
Okay.
There's one. And here comes another one. Sort of on a little bit of an angle this way. Cool. Now, Odin, mine are not perfect. Do these need to be perfect?
No.
No, at Craft Kids TV, we don't go for perfection, we go for fun. That's right, buddy. Nice job. Okay, let's put some eyelids on. So eyelid number 1 and eyelid number 2. Good. Now, pupils. So the pupils are he's going to be looking off to our right, his left. And the pupils are going to come in. We're about halfway down. You're going to color them right in. Do the same on the other eyeball. Color that one right in as well. Now, we're going to draw the front of the snake, also known as the mouth. Okay?
No.
And this is going to be kind of one giant motion where we do like a big S curve. But it connects up here. Let me show you what I mean, okay? Okay, so we start coming out of the eyeball like this, and it comes down, goes over just about to the other eyeball a little further, and then it loops up and connects right there. Good stuff, dude. All right, good job, Odin. Now, what we're gonna do is there's a little part of his chin that we need to show, and that's gonna come up in here and then make a sharp turn. So we'll do that, okay? Come right up in here by this eye, and once it makes it just a little beyond the eye, we're gonna do a sharp turn and come back down. Okay, stop there. We're gonna make sure we make it so that we don't have to make our tails too skinny, okay? So we're gonna curve this down we're gonna keep it going just until it gets underneath his chin, and then we're gonna make the curve to go around, okay? So we're gonna go down just to underneath his chin, then we're gonna make the curve, make it nice and large, like that. Underneath his chin, make the curve nice and large. Good, that's good, yeah, good, now go up. Good. Now it won't have to be super thin, okay? All right, now, we're gonna do the other side of his body. We're gonna come out of this eye, and we're gonna mimic this shape, and get ever so slightly closer as we go down. Okay, can we do this?
Yep.
Okay, here we go. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. What do you think?
Yeah.
Oh, love it. All right, next and pretty much last step before coloring is
mouth.
we do tongue.
Tongue.
And the tongue in our lowercase s's looks like a W. Looks like a W. Cool. Are you ready? Let's do a magic trick today. You want to do a magic trick?
Yeah.
Okay, the decision is in. All right, let's show them what we're gonna do, okay? We're gonna take these pieces of black construction paper.
Black paper.
What are we gonna do with it, Oates?
We're gonna do this.
We're gonna put them down, and then when we uncover them, these are all gonna be done. All right?
All right.
So here we go. Let's do it for real now.
A magic. What? Wait, should we hold one with it, and then should we like do this, and then?
Oh, you want to do that?
Yeah.
So we're gonna put these down. We're gonna snap. We're gonna lift them up and be colored.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Set.
Down.
Down. Ready? They're down. 1, 2, 3.
Yay!
Yes. The lowercase s from
Alphabet Lore.
Alphabet Lore. So much fun. All of these characters are a lot of fun. This naturally looks a lot like his grown-up self, doesn't he? Just a wee bit smaller. Just a wee bit smaller. One more time, we'll mention Oahu markers. Check them out. We will very soon have a link for you to click on to go to our website, and through our website you can purchase these, which by doing it that way would really, really help us out a lot. Until we see you next time, keep drawing, stay awesome, bye!